Area throwaway salute. Another welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see him. Arsenal for Leicester City 2. Oga Louis, now how you see the game?
I'm impressed. I'm very, 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 very impressed with the team play. And basically, this was more or less what we expected from us now. We all know say we're going to win the match. Now just a matter of consistency now we they look up to now. So I think we try. We try.
Now you dey
Now
talk
try.
you dey talk about consistency now. This is not one thing where many people don't they complain say Arsenal no get for the previous years, the previous season. But we don't see how well this Arsenal team they start the first two games. Now last season they start very badly when they lose the first three games or so now they lose. But what do you think say Mikel Arteta don't do differently from the way the team start last season and the way the team they start this season?
Okay. For that aspect, I think he now owns the dressing room. That's one of the biggest issue of any coach. If you can get the dressing room, you might likely succeed because once the house is divided, na failure with your approach with that. So basically, you don't get the dressing room, you don't get the faith of the players. The board trust them now, and they pull upon him. The fans are with him right now, and he have his kind of players as well. He have his kind of players, so that's just it. Basically, he don't get a squad, he don't get players, no other thing again.
So you dey talk about the work when they do. Say now in don't get in players, in don't get in squad.
Yeah.
How you go rate the work when Mikel Arteta and Gaspar Edu they do for inside this summer transfer window?
I feel the fact say they be former Arsenal players na one advantage when work for them. They know the club in and out. They've won trophies with the club. They were there for long and like that. So I feel they've done nice business. Edu has been behind the scene doing lots of business, and he don't try to be fair. To be very fair, we don't spend money. Oh, people don't realize that Arsenal are one of the biggest spenders for Europe right now, and I think the fruit of their labor they come up.
So you
Small, small.
so you believe now say all these young ones where they call say Arsenal they use boys still they play men. They don't they turn to men now.
That's a trickish question because I have a problem with us now with this so-called small children wey they always dey like use, according to my worry brothers. The thing be say, at the tail end of the season, at the tail end of everything, their expectations they call no, not their expectations. Man, not see their expectations. Their performance they come down. Like they let their guard down. They like it's like their heads don't something they intertwine with their focus, with their heads. See the way we slipped away last season and lost away to Newcastle, lost away to Tottenham. At the very tail end, that has been the problem with Arsenal. Inconsistency right at the end. Everything seems to be going well. All of a sudden, just to crown your efforts with some glorious achievements, something will just come up. So I not put full expectations. My hope actually be say this season we do well, we integrate the team, we win something. We win something. We just have to win something. For all the money we spent, we have to win something now. For me, I'll take the Europa League over even finishing top four.
So for you now, the one way matter pass now, made the club win cup, made them win trophy, made them get something to show for all the money where they don't spend. So, but I want to ask you about the league too, also because we know say for a long time Arsenal never finished for top four to make Champions League. Now you don't think say that one now one of the things where they're supposed to judge the work when Mikel Arteta they do for the club.
To be fair with some previous coaches, to be fair with Unai Emery, for me, I feel we were a little biased with Emery. People they avoid this discussion, but if we say more talk truth, say Unai Emery went 22 games unbeaten. Other people go argue for Arteta say the reason they kept him is because he came, he won the FA Cup almost immediately. So that's enough reason to keep him. Okay, that's fine. Because he won something. Now the same thing when I dey try talk. Win something now, else your job will be at stake. Now waiting will go take George at the end of the day because finishing top four is not like a glorious achievement anymore in the league. I don't know. For me, people now finishing top four is na cup on your own now. The way England be so everywhere they hot. But for me, we need trophy. Like we need trophy to our names because the Man Cities, the Chelseas, you understand that they come up. And Tottenham this season, their signings have been solid. So what you go to differentiate me and you now? Our performance over 5 games have been our achievement over full season. So that be the thing. You not go fit say you go school now, you the carry first. Last semester exam to graduate now, you fuck up your GP now 1.1.
All right, now, Oga Louis, make I ask you. Now, what will be your prediction on how high Arsenal go finish for the Premier League table by the end of the season?
Um, fifth, fifth.
So no top four. Top four no sure for you.
Nah. I think this season, even Mikel Arteta should be very aware that our priority should be Europa League. You see, I like what Unai Emery do. He try for that this thing. He try for Europa League. He focus on the Europa League and for just some 1 or 2 reasons we not win. We should start from there. That thing go build our confidence. You know what it to win cup mean? You go build your confidence. You go just be like the regional king of Europe. You understand? So or the prince of Europe. Because the Champions League is there obviously. So the thing be say na cup. We need cup. We need cup and not just FA Cup because FA Cup is we are now very synonymous with FA Cup, obviously like this. We are the now we get the highest FA Cup 14. So Europa Cup would be the best achievement for the season.
Okay, now, Oga Louis, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.
I agree.